Now we're going to go to our NetCam. The first thing we have to do is we have to make sure that our camera is clear. So we're going to go down here and format the cards. Then we're going to go up here, check our white balance. That's still set from hockey. Now we're back. Okay, now I want to see what card's in here. Okay, there's our cards for our remote. I'm going to take this off. Our settings for the net camera is 1/1000 and 6400 ISO. So we're set there. Then we're going to hook our Pocket Wizard trigger in here. And that's ready to go. Then we're going to put our lens on. This is a TT Artisan 11 millimeter lens. And I have it set at about f4. It doesn't click, it just dials. So it's set at about f4. And I have it taped down for focus. So it's focused about 5 feet away. So that's ready to go. Now we're going to put it in the box. Got to be careful we don't rub it on the front panel. We don't want to scratch anything. And then we get it as close to the front panel as we can and make sure that the camera is square in the box so that it's not angled. So we've got a good square here. We're tight. The camera is in the box. This box is on its last leg. There's a few scratches, but we're gonna try to make do for now. Then our trigger just slides in here, and then our cover just goes on like this. This is the old box that they make, so it still has the super clamp on the back. I've replaced the wing nut with a bolt so that I can get it tighter on the center post of the net. So I have a socket in my bag so that I can tighten this on the post. So now this is ready to go in the bag and get installed when we get to the rink. All right, we're going to install our NetCam. Make sure we're in the south net. We got an S. Camera that we set up earlier. And our socket for tightening it. This right in here in the bottom of that post. tighten. I need to get a new ratchet. Comes the Zamboni. All right, she's tight. Always wants to fall to the left, so I let it fall to the left and then straighten it out. We got everything tightened down. Solid in here. Back, take a look. It's a little crooked. Okay. There. 20 to 6. Game time's not till 7, so we'll come back and turn everything on.